Okay, so it's Sunday, May 23rd. I was sick last Sunday especially. So yeah, didn't get to really do much. Abby stepped in, did everything. You and Mom. So, what are we having tonight?
Tonight we're having shish kebabs, beef and chicken, some rice, quinoa. I'm gonna make some baked potatoes because we have them to use up. We're gonna have a Billy special salad, macaroni salad, and some fruit, and we're just gonna make a little chocolate mousse pudding dessert.
And we're having some special guests for
We
dinner.
have special guests for dinner.
Cooking for the crooks. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what's on the menu for tonight, and I guess we'll get going.
We're gonna get started.
Yep.
What you're gonna do. What are you doing?
I'm posing.
So what are we doing?
Watching Mom.
I'm gonna show Abby how to cut these up so I can run over to the store. So we're making some baked potatoes. I already washed them and scabbed them, and then I just rubbed a little bit of olive oil, and now I'm gonna put some Himalayan red salt on it. Or pink salt, whatever it is. And then those will go into the oven.
Okay, so making up the salad, like I said, we do like a spring mix with some romaine combo. It's nice. You can definitely tell romaine lettuce is back in season because you can see how dark green it is and everything else. Just looks really, really nice and fresh. So.
So I'm making the shish kebab right now. I'm just, skewering just meat.
You cut the meat up and you marinated it.
I did. I cut the meat up and marinated. I have some beef and I have chicken. And over here we have some cherry tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms, and some onion. And I'm just skewering them now so we don't have to worry about it later.
Okay, so Deanne put all the chicken and the meat and vegetables on the skewers. So shish kebabs are ready. Got them in the bowl here. Fired up the grill. So now we're ready to go out and put them on the grill. Make some room here. Okay, everything's on the grill. Okay, so dinner's ready. We have special guests tonight. The Crook girls are here. That's awesome. So, yeah, everything's on the table. I think we cooked enough food for the army to show up. So, Echo, play the Beatles.
Shuffling songs by the Beatles on Amazon Music.
There we go.